Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to list your products on Amazon Seller Story. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. First things first, we're going to go and be opening up the official Seller Central right here, sellercentral.amazon.com. This is the main URL that you want to open up. So once you have opened it up, you'll be greeted by the main page right here, which is the home page from where we can get started. In the upper right corner, we have two options. We can sign up for a new account if you do not already have an Amazon seller account, and if you have one, just log in normally. So if you need an account, create one. So once you have gotten your account, you want to log in. So go ahead and log into your account. After you're logged in, you'll be greeted by this dashboard right here that looks like this. This is your Amazon Seller Central dashboard from where we can go and manage our catalog, our inventory, orders, and so on, everything related to our store and our products. And now we can get started with listing our products that we want to put on our story. As you can see here, we have a step-by-step on the official Sell Amazon option how to get started with listing our products. So we are going to go ahead into our catalog options. So as you can see, we want to go into catalog in the main menu of the Seller Central and click add products. So you're going to click the catalog section right here, and by clicking catalog, it's going to open up your new menu from where you can get started with adding your products that you wish to your Amazon Seller Central. After just getting started, you can provide all the info for your product, such as your name of the product, price, picture, and so on. All that is going to be able to put into the catalog. And once you have added your product, now we can get started. You can find your product in your catalog section from where we can get started copying the link. The link to your product is the URL right here at the top of the page. That link you're going to copy and put on your story wherever you want, either Instagram or whichever social media you prefer. You can put that link into your Instagram story, and once people click the link, they'll be able to access your products in your Amazon option in your Amazon store, and basically that's how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So thanks for watching, take care, and bye.